Have you ever poured your heart into your garden, only to watch your plants wilt and fade away? Maybe you're staring at empty beds, wondering what went wrong and if it's even worth trying again. Trust me, you're not alone, and your story isn't over yet. Every gardener, no matter how experienced, faces setbacks. Today, I want to show you how those failures can actually plant the seeds for future success. First things first, let's figure out what happened. Did your soil feel hard and lifeless? Were your leaves chewed up by hungry bugs? Maybe the weather threw you a curveball, or you picked the wrong crops for your zone. Take a step back and really look at what went wrong. It's the only way to fix the root of the problem. Now roll up your sleeves and assess your garden. Pull out any dead plants, clear away the mess, and take a closer look at your soil. Is it dry and crumbly, or soggy and compacted? Testing your soil can reveal what your plants have been missing. Once you know what you're working with, make a simple plan. Pick tough, reliable crops for your next round and think about rotating your beds to give pests and diseases less of a chance. Time to rebuild. Feed your soil with fresh compost or organic matter to boost those nutrients. Set up drip irrigation or soaker hoses to keep watering on track. Bring in some beneficial bugs or toss row covers over vulnerable plants. You'll save yourself a lot of headaches. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Start small, pay attention, and tweak your approach as you go. Every little improvement gets you closer to a thriving, beautiful garden. And here's the real secret: consistency and attitude matter just as much as compost or sunshine. Celebrate the tiny wins: a single tomato, a new sprout, even just healthier soil. Every setback is just another lesson, turning you into a better gardener. Keep at it, and you'll see just how resilient your garden and you can be. If your garden flopped this year, don't quit. With a little smart rebuilding and a lot of heart, your next harvest might just be your best yet. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our gardening family. Together, let's turn every garden failure into a brand new beginning.